how to export in high quality on Inshot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'll show you how to export your videos in high quality using the Inshot app. So let's dive right in. Open up your Inshot app, go to video, and then once you're done editing your video, trimming, adding music and filters, it's time to export. So look at the top right corner and then tap on the export or the share icon. And then now you'll see export settings. The most important one is the resolution. Just tap on it. And then you might be see that it is set to 1080p. So this is the standard quality. Now if your footage supports it, you can change it to 2K or 4K for ultra high quality. So then you'll see frame rate, just tap on it and you can set it 30 fps for regular videos, and there is 60 fps for smooth motion, gaming, sports or fast paced clips. And then you can see the auto HDR. Make sure that it is toggled on, and then you can hit save option. So this will make sure that your video is exported in high quality. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.